Discover the perfect blend of minimalism, elegance, and comfort at 5500 South Cornell Avenue, Chicago. Choose from stylish studios and lavish non-en-suites, decked with premium hardwood floors, a back porch for refreshing breaks, in-unit washers and dryers for breezy laundry days, and an eat-in kitchen to enjoy delicious meals with friends. There's loads of storage with built-in shelves and a walk-in closet. Your wheels have a home too, with parking available. Dine with friends at the on-site restaurant. No need for teary goodbyes with your poor pals. This property is pet-friendly, so you can bring them along with you. The University of Chicago and Illinois College of Optometry are just a few minutes by car, so you can grab breakfast along the way and still reach class on time. Your escapades around the city are sorted with buses from 55th Street and Hyde Park Boulevard and trains from the 55th to 56th to 57th Street station. So hurry and grab your spot at 5500 South Cornell Avenue, Chicago today with amberstudent.com.